Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to set up custom notification sound on Android 16. Let's begin. First, go to the settings. Then in the settings, you want to scroll a little bit until you will see sounds and vibration. Then you want to click on it and then scroll all the way down. Here we have default notification sound. Currently it is set to Eureka. Now we can click on it, and in order to set custom one, like completely custom noise for notifications, you want to go to My Sounds, and then you want to hit this plus icon in the bottom right corner. Now we can add here any kind of custom file, that is a voice file or sound file, whatever. Then you will add it. After you will add it, it will appear here, and now you will be able to select it, hit save, and your custom custom notification will be done. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.